Setting up this way.
Yeah, we're gonna taxi down
Which,
to T3.
you want the inside elbow of this curve?
Yep. Are we gonna make it?
We're not gonna make it this time.
All right. Go around.
Talking about the grassy spot, or are you talking about the gravel?
Here, you'll see it here. The gravel spot, that corner right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
In that elbow.
Yep.
Okay. What about the trees?
I don't know. You think we'll clear it?
I think we will. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
All right.
We can do this.
All right.
All right. Go back.
I'll kind of help you out here. This is a hard one, but it's I'm making you work.
I like it.
So we know, right? We got plenty of space over this.
Over the river.
Over the river, right?
Yeah.
So let's just extend this. We're already a little low.
Yeah, we are.
So lights out, 102 or 101, 3 in the green, car V. Make sure you check that car V before.
We're up.
Yep, so you can feel it. Alright, so the way I would do it is start your base turn here.
Yep.
Start low and collected.
Okay.
So you got tail rotor, main rotor clearance over the river.
Yes. Much better already.
There we go. So you can feel that steep approach. Start slowing down,
Yeah,
right?
slowing it.
You don't want to smack into the...
Want to smack into anything. Okay. Got
There
good
you go.
clearance on this side, that
Yep,
side.
looking good. Start raising that collective.
Yep.
There's your ETL. Ride this out.
Right there. Yeah, I got good clearance on left, right. Right, that ETL.
There you go. So you think we should sit down right here?
I'm thinking probably not. That's looking really soft.
Yeah, these are big rocks too, and they're really, it's kind of stressful sitting down on these because they pop out of the...
Yeah, I remember that.
So what do you think about over there?
That's looking a whole lot more promising.
All right, let's go check it out.
Okay.
So the wind's not doing much, right?
Not here, no.
So on a spot like this, you always want to think about, I know what we talked about it, but tail rotor or main rotor clearance.
Yeah,
So what I would do is let's
a little higher.
Yeah, a little bit higher, and we know our tail rotor has clearance over the water.
I got you, so face inlet.
Yeah. There's a nice flat spot right there.
Yep. Crab over this way just a hair.
Nice fluffy moss that is. Exactly, right. You just have to be aware of any slopes downsloping.
Yeah. Back up just a hair.
Okay.
Right there.
Actually, it's on a little bit of a slope there, so just bring it just a hair forward, like right here.
Right here.
Yeah. Ooh.
A little harder than I wanted.
We're on a little bit of a compound. You can feel it.
I feel it,
Yeah. All right.
All right, lift up.
Yep. Go ahead and take me off.
Okay.
So right now you're staring right at those trees, right?
I am.
Rear traffic 30 Echo is left crosswind for 33, Norman rear.
Yep.
Nice. So what I would have done is sat down this way. Your eyes are out front.
Right, gotcha.
Alright. How are we going to get out of here?
We are going to maintain clearance with our rotor.
Okay.
Right pedal turn.
Alright.
Rear traffic.
We're going to head out down the river into the wind.
Alright. Do we have to do a max speed?
We don't.
Alright.
We actually have a lot of room.
Do you think we can clear those trees in front of us if we do a max speed?
If we did a max speed, yes.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it.
Alright. Clearing left, clearing right.
Yep, I want to clear those trees. How is that?
Yep, we are going clear.
Yep.
We are clear of our obstructions.
Yep.
We can actually pitch forward.
Yep. Nice. Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, it gets warm quick. That was fun.
Was that cool?
That was very cool.
Alright, let's find another one.
Okay.
Find an easier one. That one was hard. I made that one hard on purpose.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all we have for this one. And make sure that you give your comments and subscribe and stay tuned for what's next.